On this rear fender, she's really nice. Not much damage at all. Take a look. Even up the inside. Hello. It's here we have some damage, and I think it is because the attachment point there. There we have some damage, and the door has some damage. Then in the front here, on the front fender, we have some rust damage in the rear section here. Don't know really why that happened. I think the most of the rust damage on this front fender is because the inner fender is shaving away some protection layer of paint or something. So you have the shaving, and then the rust go from the inside and out. And just in this front section there is damage from when the front bumper had hit something. This console is moving up, and the paint is cracking right here. It's very common on this car. You get this rust because someone has dragged into something with the front bumper. We clean up the left side a bit first. Then we go on and do the rust repair on the right side. Here we need something new. Now we'll start the rust repair. On this side we have some rust over here, a little bit here, and a lot in this area here. I think I've got some under here too. Maybe we start in this area just to see how it goes, and then we move on to this bigger area. I don't have any fancy welding equipment. I can show you. Hold on. This is what we're going to use. It's a really cheap welder. You don't need any welding gas for this one. It's all in the thread. I have used it one time before on another Ford, and it works, but it's not like a good welder. The amps will increase with the speed, so you just have one little knob. I want two, so I can, if it's thin, I maybe want to have less amps and more thread when I weld, but you can't adjust that on this one. We will see how it goes. We start by cutting out all the rust, then make the new pieces, and then we start to welding and see how it goes. This fender should be attached to this console here, but the attachment point has rusted away completely. So I will cut off the end of the fender here and build a new one. If you have watched from the beginning, you have seen all of the old repairs on the front bumper. And I think this corner has something to do with it. I don't have the right equipment here to stretch out the damaged area. But I will do the best with the things I have. And I think it's going to look much nicer, even though everything is behind the front bumper. I decided to change this section to It's not that bad. It's really thick metal here. It's quite rusty around this point, but it's just here. It's fresh. If you look on the back side, it's fresh almost immediately. Just rust just where you can see it. It's not spread all the way on the inside. I want to have all the rust finished now. It's so boring with rust. So rust and welding, and then we can go on with the car. It's blister sand all over the place. Have to do a big cleanup after this. I think this is the last point I need to blaster right now. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.